Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making an amazing oil mask for hair growth using these 4 organic oils: sweet almond, grapeseed, sesame, and castor oil. Now these 4 oils are extremely awesome for protection, growth, as well as health, and I highly recommend them, but you as well can use any oils of your liking. Okay guys, so I purchased all my oils from a shop online called iHerb.com. And I very highly recommend this site because they have amazing prices as well as amazing oils and extremely fast shipping. Alright guys, so all you're really going to need for this project is your oils of choice, of course, and an application bottle to apply the oil to your hair, as well as some kind of wrap to wrap your hair in after applying the oil, so I guess you don't make a mess. So all I'm really doing here is applying lines to my application bottle to where I would assume should be breaks in the oil, kind of like a measurement. You can do this or not, I mean it's totally up to you. I like to be sure. Okay, so the first oil we're going to be putting into our mixture is our castor oil, and we're going to fill it right up to the first blue line. So we're just going to fill up the castor oil right up to the blue line. There we go. The second oil we would be adding to our mixture is sesame oil, and we're going to fill it up to the second blue line, so on and so forth. Our third oil is grapeseed. And the last oil we will be using, which is my personal favorite, is sweet almond oil. Just to see that I got it right up to that line. So here's an idea of what your application bottle should look like. Now your next step is going to be to part your hair into 4 different sections and apply the oil. Alright, so how we're going to begin this process is obviously by separating our hair into 4 sections on our head, and I'm going to show you how I do that. And the last section we can actually just leave down, because if we're going to start on it, why would we need it up, right? Just a quick show you an idea of what your hair should look like. So what we're going to start doing here is taking our nicely mixed oils and applying them to the root of the hair on the scalp, massaging it into the scalp. Watch how I do this. Now what you're just going to want to do is make sure you get all the roots of this section of your hair and just massage that into the roots just for a minute, making sure you got your scalp. And then you can run that through the rest of the hair. Once you feel that your one section's roots are oiled down enough, and which mine look like pretty much are, we're just going to move on to the next section. Spaghetti. And we're going to repeat the exact same process on every section of every part of the hair. Just getting the roots in different sections. easiest way I find to do this is by what I kind of just showed you, which was sectioning off pieces by piece of hair, just to make sure you get an equal amount of oil spread out through all your roots on your head. Okay, now that we've oiled out all the roots on this side, we're just going to quick throw this side up in a bun, just a little bun, so we won't have to worry about it until we're done with this. So, once you're confident that your oils have reached all the roots of your scalp, what I'll usually do, just to make sure again, is just do a quick run through with the bottle and lines through my hair across, just to make sure I got all the roots across the scalp. I'll show you one. And then do a quick scrub. And once I've got that all nicely massaged into my scalp, I'm just going to brush it through the hair so I can see the oils kind of reaching the ends of my hair but not globbing onto them. Okay, so this is totally optional, but personally, what I do after an oil bath in my hair is I will actually massage it into my scalp for about 2 minutes, and then I'll hang my hair upside down, like such. Hang my head, hang my hair while standing up or sitting down, whichever you prefer, and I'll have it hang there for about 3 to 4 minutes. Personally, I just do this because as far as I know, it helps promote hair growth, and as far as I've seen, it helps promote hair growth. So yeah, that's what I'd recommend doing for just a little bit more of a push. So what I personally prefer doing is keeping this oil bath in my hair overnight for like an 8 to 10 hour soak, just to make sure it's really getting in there and working its magic. But you guys can do 2 to 3, 3 to 5 hour, whatever you really prefer, doesn't matter. You can do what the fuck you want after this. But removal process is a little bit tricky. It's 2 to 3 shampooings. But you're going to shampoo your hair about 2 to 3 times until you can actually get all these oils out, and then conditioning is an option. I always do. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope you guys have a great day.